Hello guys! Whoa, it's really bright. Come back to normal. Good morning guys. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a challenge and it's a food challenge, which I'm super pumped about. I saw this going around on YouTube and it's called Only Eating Recommended Serving Sizes for 24 Hours. And with some of the serving sizes, you can only eat like 6 chips. And I'm like, what? Oh, my arm is getting so tired. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Definitely subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram. Very hungry right now, so let's go eat some breakfast. Okay, let's see here. Wrong light. So for breakfast, we're gonna have some honey bunches of oat. We're gonna make some coffee. We should make the coffee first so the milk doesn't melt. Melt. What am I talking about? So the melt, why can't I think of the word? Soggy. Let's make some coffee. Where is the measuring cup? The coffee says 8 full ounces is the serving size. There it is. 8 full ounces we got. That doesn't seem like that much. 8 full ounces. I'm gonna grab some ice real quick. Oh, that's like how much I usually drink. Love that for me. This is the creamer that I use and it says 1 tablespoon. Just 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 25 calories. Okay, ready? That's all. I low-key probably put like 3 of these in there. It's okay. So the serving size for almond milk is 1 cup, but I'm just gonna put that much in there because I don't like a lot in my coffee. Grab our reusable straw. Usually it tastes a lot sweeter because I put a lot more of this in it, but it's okay. It's okay. Now into the cereal. 3/4 of a cup of cereal and then 1 cup of almond milk. So this is a cup. I'm gonna fill it up 3/4 of the way. I feel like that's about 3/4. Let's see how much it looks like. That's like nothing. That's like a Scooby snack. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's like no cereal. I probably eat like double that. We are so crooked. Next up is a cup of almond milk. That's like a lot. Is it not? There's barely any cereal in this. Do you see this? Am I being dramatic? I think we'll go outside because it's really pretty out. Guys, this is probably like 4 bites. I'm gonna be so hungry today. I'm literally just gonna be cracked out on coffee. Like, also comment below letting me know what your guys' favorite healthy cereal is and unhealthy cereal. For healthy, I probably like Honey Bunches of Oats with almond. For unhealthy, definitely Reese's Puffs, I think. Oh, those are so good. I'm gonna be so jittery. Usually I eat a lot more for breakfast, but that's not the case today. So yeah, that is my breakfast. At McDonald's for lunch. This is gonna be way less awkward than letting the person in front of you decide or the employee decide because I can just order normally like a normal human being. I'm so excited. Is that new? A Reese's McFlurry? That looks so good. Why is this line taking, oh my gosh. This line looked way shorter, but now these cars are just going, so I should have went in that line. I hate when that happens. Hi, can I get a Big Mac meal and a Sprite with that? Medium, or actually large. Large? Yeah. Cool, oh, I'm gonna let her go. Sorry, sis. Oh my god, that car's a douchebag. You know when you're like, there's 2 lines, you let the other line go first and then you go? Well, this girl just went again. I was here before you, sister. It's fine, everything's fine. I have all the stuff I need to measure everything. Measuring cup for the liquid, and then I have my scale so we can measure all the food. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Okay, we got all of our food. Now let's measure this. For the McDonald's Big Mac, I went to nutritionvalue.org. Hopefully this is accurate. But it says the serving size for a Big Mac is 100 grams. I'm so excited. Okay, oh no. Oh my god, is it not working? Look it. No, not today. Do I have to like set it down? It's working, okay. Oh, wow, 203 grams. So that's not that hard. We just need to cut it in half. I don't have a knife. Now on to the McDonald's fries. Oh wait, it says 71 grams. So that's how many french fries is in the serving. I still have this much left. That's crazy. So I basically should have ordered like a small. What's the serving size for Sprite? 12 ounces. We got our Sprite right here. People are probably staring at me. Like, what is this girl doing? It was pretty much like half of this. Again, I should have just got a small. Why did I do this? Let's eat half of our burger. This is not the day to wear red lipstick. What am I thinking? Look, I got red lipstick all over that. Wow. I ate half of it. I could honestly eat the whole thing. So that's how many french fries. Not mad about it. Oh, pretty much ate like half of everything. I honestly feel pretty content, like I'm not like a disgusting full. And usually when I eat McDonald's, it's like a gross full feeling.
A few moments later.
I can already feel my stomach like rumbling, so that's great. Lunch is complete. It is snack time. Oh, I really want some Cheetos. I barely have any left. It says 21 pieces per serving. I guess let's count that. That is what 21 pieces looks like. I feel like I can add more because they're kind of like split in half because it's the bottom of the Cheeto bag. So I think we need to weigh this. Per serving, it's 28 grams. Okay, let's see how much that is. That is only 8 grams, so I'm glad we measured that. This isn't that bad, so that's 28 grams. I'm actually pretty content with that. What the heck? Okay, go off. Okay guys, it is dinner time right now and we're at Chipotle. We have our scale so we can measure it out or weigh it out. I have my bowl and my scale. I don't know if I should just do it right here. So online, it said it's 4 ounces, which is the serving size. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay. I probably look crazy.
Oh my God.
1 pound and 10 ounces. There's no way. So this is 0.9 ounces. So 4.9. That's it. I'm like shook. Usually I eat like half of this. That's insane. Okay, well I'm gonna eat my serving size. You could have like 4 meals out of this. Okay. It usually takes me like 15 minutes to finish this. This is gonna probably take like 3 minutes. Guys, I'm hungry. Okay guys, ignore my stain right here. It is time for dessert and I'm so ready. Let's look in here. We have some options over here. So I think I'm feeling Ben & Jerry's half baked. For this whole container, it's 1,100 calories. Per serving is 370, which seems like still a lot. The serving size says 2/3 of a cup. I have my 1/3 measuring cup and we're just gonna like scoop this out. Oh yes. Okay, 1/3. Looks like that. Now we get another third. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm cheating. This is what the serving size is. It's honestly not that bad. Maybe I'm just getting used to these serving sizes. I feel like this is an okay amount. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like that's pretty good. I honestly just want the chunks of cookie dough and brownie. I usually just pick them out of the ice cream. I didn't get that many chunks of cookie dough. I challenge you guys to do this because it's actually pretty hard, but it's kind of an eye-opener. Let me know down below if you guys have any other challenges you guys want me to do because I will do them. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just the little bell thing, so definitely click her. Not after that. Oh my God, I have brownie on my teeth. I'm gonna eat the rest of this ice cream and watch some Netflix. So I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.